I am Suresh Chandra Shrivastava. Our today's topic of discussion is Tushrat of Vashukanni, Aleppo, Syria, and that Dashrath of Saket, Gangetic Sarju Valley, India. Few months earlier, news flashed about recovery of an idol of so-called Dashrath from Aleppo, Syria. This attracted Indo-Egyptian historians and Indo-Syrian historians, purview King Dashrath of Gangetic Sarju Valley, the father of Rama, and that Tushrat of Vashukanni, who was ruling from Kaikeyi, located under Caucasian hill as per Ramayana, Ayodhya Kand 68:18. Dashrath of Sarju Valley and Tushrat of Vashukanni were two different kings. Both were contemporary. Tushrat of Vashukanni was matrimonially aligned with Dashrath of Sarju Valley, marrying his daughter Kaikeyi, that further with Amenhotep IV, Pharaoh of Egypt, marrying his daughter Tadukhipa. Dashrath of Sarju Valley was also aligned with South Koshal, marrying him with its princess Kaushalya. His third queen Sumitra had come from Sumatra, with which Dashrath was by trade related. Sumatra was located midway between India and China at Silk Route through sea. The ancient days in polygamous palaces, generally the wives were stated by their nativity. Valmiki has chosen to word Ashwapati to index Tushrat of Vashukanni, that Dashrath, to that of Sarju Valley king. Ancient days, the Sarju Valley was called Set or Saket. It is today called Setmet along Shravasti. The king's name have been stated in ancient texts using their early army ranks, remaining reluctant towards their real names and late promoted achievements. Ashwapati carry meaning cavalry commander, that Seti Tushrat, Dashrath all carry meaning cavalry command of 10 chariots. Such indexing of names of kings need logical arrival. As per Indian tradition, Ashwapati was devoid of son. Bharat and Shatrughna, the Kaikeyi's son, were his opted sons. However, Valmiki report a son Yudhajit in Ayodhya Kand 70:28 and Uttarkand 101 1-2. It appears Ashwapati had opted more sons. Mitanni traditions reports Artma, Shattivaza, Shutarna, Bartma among his sons. Shatrughna, Bharat may be from those. Tired of defeat against Hittite Suppilailum of first, Tushratta's few sons had accepted his vassalage, ignoring father's wishes. Syrian tradition reports his son as his murderer. That at Saket, the succession dispute to see their sons as crowned among queens in Dashratha's palace is not ruled out. But the Kaikeyi's son Bharat took balanced decision. The days Hittite Ramana was strengthening him both on Syrian and Koshalan border. Rama was in south at time of death of Dashrath, busy in war against Ravan. That Lakshman was busy in Egypt and Somalia. to Rama followingly. Bharat and Shatrughan were in Kaikeyi Desh at distance coverable in 1.5 months with army, or that by horse after a galloping of over 1 week, day and night, according to Ramayana Uttarkand 100 and Ayodhya Kand 78 gradually. Saket palace sent messengers placing dead body of Dashrath in preservant oil tank. It was hard for Rama, busy in war, to return. Bharat, the Kaikeyi's son, performed the last rite of Dashrath. In Ramayana, a visit of Bharat to Rama has been highlighted to request Rama enjoy coronation. Rama refused and asked Bharat to return and look after the domain's affairs. There was heavy threat on south coastal from Somalia and Lanka. After prolonged war of 14 years, Rama eradicated Ravan both from Lanka and Somalia with help of Lakshman. Lakshman has been hieroglyphed in tomb of King's Valley as Horemheb by a synonym name of Lakshman. After eradication of Ravan, Lakshman coronated Rama on the throne of Pharaoh, self-withdrawing from that honorable post. Both Encyclopedia Britannica and Bunsen's Encyclopedia of Ancient Egypt have stated Ramses I as founder of 19th dynasty. Valmiki has highlighted the love and self-sacrifices of Rama's brethren in his own way and classical style. Dreaming Rama, killer of deceptional deer, not real. A king and founder of utopian society, further seeing off them all from Sarju stream, leaving a pathetic effect in heart of the Indian people. Maybe a short period of only 2 years, yet Rama enjoyed the honor of becoming king of Triland, India, Egypt, and Turco-Persia through circling route of Hindu Kush Hill and the Arabian Sea. The idol collected from Aleppo, Syria, may be to that of Tushrat, whom Valmiki has stated as Ashwapati, and not to that of Dashrath of Sarju Valley. Thanks for participating in this historical discussion. Comment, like, and subscribe to my Facebook channel, Shrivastava Suresh Chandra.